All right, I have a couple picture frames here, and they are gold for the frame. Nice gold color. Kind of shimmery. Looks nice. Does come with a protective film on the transparent part of the frame. Keeps it in nice condition. And it has come pre-installed with a picture of the Eiffel Tower. So you might want to leave that in there if you want, or replace it with your own photo. But the back side does have some hanging hooks pre-installed, both vertically and horizontally, so you can hang it either way. Also comes pre-installed with a table, table way to display it. And I like that the table stand, well, one, both has that thing so it doesn't overextend, but also two, it actually doesn't go further up than the frame itself. And that's important because if you're hanging it on a wall, that way that's not going to be in the way of the wall. It's going to hang flat against the wall, which is super nice. Sometimes they don't do that, and that gets in the way, and then you have to figure out if you're going to take it off or whatever. But yeah, I love that. So great for hanging on a wall just as is. Great for displaying on a table. I do want to show you the measurements. So the whole frame itself is about 10 5/8 tall, and it is about 8 5/8 wide. But of course, what matters even more than that is the for the picture, and that accommodates 6.5 is what it displays. So that's gonna be like a 5/7 then. So yeah, 4 3/8. So 5/7 picture, but it'll display 4 3/8 by 6. What did I say? 6.5 or so. Yeah. So that's what it's going to display out of a 5/7. So these are nice frames. Not metal. It's not made of metal, but just lightweight, reflective gold frame with matting. So yeah, hope that helps.